Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Amanda Turner and I'm a real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. Today, we're looking at one of my favorite properties here. This property is so well done. Like, it's only on, I think it's a 176 square meter lot, and it's like half a block from Ajijic Centro, like the plaza, the actual center of Ajijic. But it's a 3-story, is it 3 stories or 4? It's 3, including the mirador, which is done really nicely because there's a kitchen up there, a whole seating area, a dining room table, and you can look out over the, the whole area. So that's really nice. And while we're up on the roof, I took a zoom shot of my mural that I painted like 6 years ago here in town. When I first came to town, I was doing murals for a living basically here, and that's what I did before I moved to Ajijic. I did that in St. Petersburg, Florida. Little tidbit. So anyway, this house, it's beautiful, like the woodwork in it and the layout of it. I mean, they just did such a good job with such little space, you know. There's an elevator, but then there's also stairs, and the stairs don't seem like an afterthought, nor does the elevator. Like, they just are perfectly placed, you know. And the bedrooms are spacious and just a great layout. Like, I really love this house. So we're gonna go check that out. But before we do, we have a bed and breakfast and a cafe in Ajijic Centro, Estrellita's Bed and Breakfast and El Gato Feo Cafe. And we would love it if you stayed with us. If you are thinking about visiting this town, we, all of our rooms have AC, streaming TVs. We pay for Netflix and Amazon Prime, so you don't have to put your information in. And they have refrigerators, reverse osmosis drinking water, ensuite bathrooms, new mattresses, very clean, very lovely. And we have a community breakfast table. So when you have breakfast with us every morning, nice hot breakfast, and our gals who make it, they make it all from scratch, like the chili kale sauce, and the French toast is really good. And what was the other? Eggs and bacon, of course, obviously. And then we kind of have like a little continental thing going on as well. So cereal, yogurt, fresh fruit every morning, and we get our fresh baked bread just around the corner from the bed and breakfast every single morning. So the bread is always fresh. And the cafe, speaking of bread, we get our pastries from the French bakery in town, and she's like super French, and she makes the best super French pastries, so that's delicious. And the cafe is open 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. every day to the public, and that also has Wi-Fi and air conditioning and all of those nice things. Okay, so come say hi, and yeah, we'd love it if you stay with us. If you're coming down to visit, or you know, whatever, you just want to do a staycation, you don't have AC and you want an AC room, we offer discounts for locals. That's citizens or residents or you know, maybe you're just here, I don't know, whatever, on a 6-month visa, who knows, whatever. Stay with us, okay? Anywho, let's go check out this property. This unique property is listed for $538,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom on 3 levels, including the mirador. Construction size is 359 square meters or 3,864 square feet. The lot size is 176 square meters or 1,894 square feet. It is not located in a gated community. It comes partially furnished, and it is in Ajijic Centro. Okay, this is the property we're looking at right now. This is the little patio outside of the master bedroom. This is your mirador here with the kitchen, nice dining tables, living room, furniture. I mean, you could basically live out here. It's so nice. Okay, now let's zoom out. I want to show you guys how close you are to everything, okay? So here's the house right here. This is Colón. And on Colón in Ajijic is where they have all of the dining, all of the shopping. And this street will lead you all the way to the highway here or the plaza right here. So you're half a block from Ajijic Centro, and the church is right over here. It's a beautiful church on Ajijic. You should go check it out when you come. Or you can walk straight down here and get to the Malecón right here. So this is an excellent location. Now, this is not for everybody, okay? I understand some people want to be a little bit further out of town, but if you want to be in town and if you want to be in the thick of it, or if you want to use this as a rental property, or if you want to... if you just want to be around all of this and walkable to everything, this is a perfect location. I mean, you can walk to everything. So all of your grocery shopping, everything. And then right here in the plaza, so you have a bank here on the corner, and then right along here you have different grocery stores. So let me see if it shows here. Yeah, you have a candy store here. You have a gift shop here. You have a toiletry store in here. You have a chicken butchery or whatever it's called in here as well. And then you have like a produce store that also carries Costco products. And yeah, it's all very nice. I mean, you could pretty much do all of your shopping right on this little section right here, just off the Ajijic Plaza. And then there's a nice coffee shop in here too, nice bar. There's a bar here, restaurant. Los Gringos Cafe is pretty good. And just for, let's see here. Okay, so here's the house here. And then our businesses, our B&B and our cafe, here's the home, is located right here. So you've got El Gato Feo Cafe and Estrellita's Bed and Breakfast. So that's kind of nice. You're only 2 blocks away from us if you want to come get the best coffee in town. So if you walked to Ajijic Plaza from this house, it's a 4-minute walk. To get to the Ajijic clinic that's open 24 hours, this is not a hospital, it's a clinic. So they do the basics there, but I think it's a pretty good establishment. If I need to just get like something minor, if I'm not feeling well and I need to go over there, it's great for that. It's not a major hospital, but it's a nice little clinic, and it's been there forever, and they're open 24 hours a day. So if you need to go there, that's a 10-minute walk, or if you were to drive, it's a 4-minute drive. If you were to go from this house to Guadalajara International Airport, or go from Guadalajara International Airport to this house, it's a 40-minute drive. All right, everybody, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this property as much as I did. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you would like to see more properties in this price range, you can click right here. And if you would like to subscribe to the channel, you can click right here. And I will see you guys for the next video. Bye.